Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you what I got from the trip back to Philadelphia in Pennsylvania. These are what I got. But first, let me share with you the shopping vlog that I did at that Prussia mall. Today, I'm taking you to Prussia in Pennsylvania. This is a very big mall here. And I'm heading to Hermes store to see if there is anything interested. Here we are at Prussia, a Simon Mall. Not sure which way. We can go straight into Hermes store. Okay, so here is the area of luxury brands. There's a line at Louis Vuitton store. Not sure how it is at Hermes store. Let's check it out. I'm gonna take you into Hermes store and share with you the items that they currently have on display. Hello. Do we have to make an appointment?
You don't necessarily have to make an appointment, but you're more than welcome to start the line over here if there's anybody else. And as soon as I have somebody available, we will come out and get you. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah.
This Hermes store was in Prussia. It is a very big and beautiful mall. I used to live close to that mall, so I got my first piece from Hermes there, and I went back a few months ago. Look how cute this perfume bottle. It comes with a heart charm. So cute. And this smells amazing. This is limited edition. So it comes with a heart charm here and also on the box. Let me share with you the first box here. I love this ribbon because it has a year on it, but the SA didn't do this right at the beginning. When I was waiting for her to wrap it, I saw this ribbon and I asked her to have it. I don't think the SA would use that ribbon for every purchases unless you ask for or something. I'm not sure, but they didn't do it. Let's reveal it. There's a dust bag in here, and this is how it is on my wrist. I love it. I decided to go with this one because I have the same color Birkin. It is in fauve color. My Birkin is in Brenia Faubourg, so the color is the same. The leather is different, but it's very similar. And it also has silver hardware. My Birkin has palladium hardware, so it's matched. And if I want to use the black side, I just reverse it. This Behapi double tour bracelet is $330 plus tax. Now let's go to the next one. This box right here. Let's unbox it. You can probably tell what it is in here. Yes, of course, it's the shoes because you can see two dust bags here. Look at this. I love these shoes. This is called bouncing sneaker, but this is for men. Actually, I got this for my husband because my husband decided to go with this color because it can go with any color outfit. Yeah, this white color. And I think here is, it's a velvet goat skin. And I love the logo H on the bottom here. You know, it comes from the side to the bottom. Look at this. Yeah, there are two different colors, black and orange, pop colors. And here in the back, yeah, I love this one. I wanted one for myself too, but they didn't have my size. Let's get the other one out too. This is bouncing velvet goat skin technical canvas men's sneaker, and it is $790 plus tax. Let me show you the next one. This is a new one, and it is Cologne for men. It is H24, 3.3 ounce. Very, very good for men. That day when we were there, the SA very nice. She gave us a whole bunch of samples in here. Yeah, so let me share quickly with you what she gave us. Yeah, she gave this one, and I forgot what it is in here. Oh, it's a lipstick. I forgot that this was in the bag because I checked it out after we left the mall. Yeah, so look at this. There are 4 different colors. She also gave us 2 samples of Terrace de Hermes. This one is in full-size bottle. Look at this. This is also one of the samples. I already opened it in previous video because it looks so cute as an ornament, and it has full-size cologne in here. This is the last one. It is in a big box, and it is a piece from Homeware collection. Look at this. How cute. I love this color so much. It's like pastel color with pink, purple, dark pink, light pink, and then coral color. It is so lovely. I wanted this color, but at store and also the store in New York, I just saw the blue. So the SA has to order this from another store and ship directly to my house. This is Kava Color Soft Plated 90% merino wool and 10% cashmere, 100 by 140 centimeter in rose petal. Yeah, it is $960 plus tax.
Okay, ready? Okay.
Hello, I missed it. Hello. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more updates and pictures about, anything related to luxury, lifestyle, and travel. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye-bye.